Good morning, guys. Today we're going to do a live trading session video where we'll be breaking down Euro USD, GBPUSD, and DXY. Stay tuned to see what we do, how we do it, and how we win. Currently, London trading session has just opened on this bullish candle that is forming. Let's see what happens. Stay tuned, guys. Yo, what's up, guys? So we got a trade, and I'm going to explain it to you guys. So we have correlation of +2 on pound, 0 on USD, and about -2 on euro. So the reason why we're taking this buy, now we're moving stop loss into profit, is because on Euro GBP we have a test that hasn't happened yet. We need to still test this fair value gap down there, and on Euro USD we're testing this one and we're breaking. And because we're kind of testing it there with the correlation being that way, I'm positive that we will get a break on GBPUSD because we still have to test those fair value gaps on Euro Pound. Now that pullback on Euro Pound will cause this fair value gap here on GBPUSD to break, causing us to kind of trade to a swing high. But because we're gonna be breaking the fair value gap, I don't think we'll get price low enough again to test for an entry. So that was what I did here. I went in for the buy 1 to 2, and we will see how it goes. Yeah, how's it, guys? So we're still in this running trade. It looks like we've just formally broke our fair value gap, which is good. It means we get one down there now. This is positive because I do feel price, we will take it higher, but we just need to watch to see what happens and how it happens. Of course, every trade needs a stop loss. That is essential for every trade. But yeah, we were able to predict an ROR, not predict, well, use structure and so on to catch it. But that's very positive. We just need to see what we do. I'm hoping we can come into this area here and actually take it out and take price even higher, making a new high. Regarding making a new high, we're gonna have to use DXY to see exactly how we can get out if we're just gonna trade to a safe R&R. Because with the new high it could be tricky. You don't know how much profit to take, how much not to take. So you just gotta play it by your strategy, your structure, what you're seeing. But yeah, thanks for tuning in, guys. We'll keep everyone updated. Yo, what's up, guys? Just an update here on what's going on. Our buy has come in. It's looking to hit our first take profit area. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna let it run, because what we see on DXY is that we've broken the sell side liquidity as well, but we still have a lot to kind of take out. What I mean by that, there's still a lot that we're aiming for. We're trying to aim for a swing low. And on Euro USD, we've also just taken out the most recent daily swing high and taken out the buy side liquidity fair value gap. So this could be an important area because a lot could happen here. A lot could happen as when it could reverse from here, based on Euro USD, right? And we don't want to be caught in a situation where we could have taken profits on a trade that we're up on. At all times we want to be in a position where we are, safe. But with that being said, all things are running according to plan. We've got our break on DXY sell side liquidity. It is running as we wanted. We've got our break on GBPUSD. It is also running as we wanted. The only thing left for us to do now is kind of just wait to see how we get a reaction of these areas, because this is critical. A break here would mean we can hold this buy all the way into New York session. A rejection here at these levels would mean we could take GBPUSD down to these levels, maybe even further down. With all that being said, we just gotta watch to see what happens. Thanks for tuning in, guys. We'll keep you updated. Yo, what's up, guys? So our first take profit level has hit. Now it's very important that we remain vigilant about what we're gonna do and how we're gonna do things here. Um, you know, it is advisable when these profit levels do hit, you can go for it, because for example here it's a full R&R. It's a really good R&R trade. Um, it's just we are holding it a bit longer because I honestly think we can go a bit further. And the reason for that is the chart structure we do have on DXY. With DXY, we're kind of aiming for this swing low with the potential of making a lower low here. Um, and on Euro USD, we've just made a new high on the day with the potential of taking out a previous swing high. So, there is a lot of excitement currently going on. Um, we just have to stay vigilant, to stay awake, and we can, at the end of the day, all you can do is follow your plan accordingly, and you can't go wrong. So I can break it down to you what we're looking for on GBPUSD now. We have currently just made a new high, so what we do is we'll extend that there, and then we're going to see how our next candle stick opens on it. uh, Even taking profits out now, it's not a bad thing to do, but we have DXY showing us that it will go far. But yeah, stay tuned, guys, and thanks for tuning in. Yo, what's up, guys? So we actually did close out on the trade. We did get a reasonable R&R. So yeah, that is basically it. Something interesting I am looking at now is the potential of GBPUSD coming down to this area. It's something I'm not going to act on. I'm just going to sit and watch from the sidelines and see how it goes. But it is looking interesting. It looks like it can happen. Putting together all things that I am seeing on the different instruments. But with that being said, yeah, guys, thanks for tuning in. We came through. We did what we needed to do, and I guess at the end of the day, that's all that matters. Yeah. So like I say, thanks for tuning in. Let's see what we can do next time. Cheers, guys.